Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, hopefully the lighting is, good enough. I'm just kind of recording this video at nighttime right now. Just got off my shift, and basically what we're discussing is an upcoming pair of SBs that y'all are not going to want to miss out on. It is going to be dropping later this year. It was originally planned for the summer, I believe, but now it has been pushed back a bit because of some other ones loading up. Nike has some other things planned, some shock drops, things like that, so stay tuned. And yeah, that's pretty much all I need to get into right now. So if y'all want more content like this, feel free to check my Instagrams down below. Sometimes I'm posting here, asking for certain pairs, but not too active on it, but feel free to give me a follow. And if y'all also want to, I'm way more active here, my friend and I's Instagram, HYPELABS CG. Feel free to give us a follow here, and again, see everything we offer to our members, under market sneakers on a daily basis, free ACOs, having botters run for them, free Amazon checkouts, so you can get free Amazon items and sell those locally, online loops, free Chipotle and homework help even, basically anything you would need as a sneaker reseller, profitable clothing backdoors, under market sneaker deals, one-on-one support, showing you how to source locally, showing you how to use our in-store monitors we have to check your local outlets and cop more stuff from there, get discounts at your outlets. If you're interested in anything to that degree, then I hope to see you guys here. Again, you can try us out for a week, or again, if you really want to just stay in there and get full access, then feel free to check out the waitlist right there. And we support all regions. Don't forget, it's not just the US, Europe, Canada, wherever you're at, you can start cooking with us. We have EU ACO being added very, very soon, so you can see all our reviews. And yeah, don't miss out, join the team. And yeah, again, we're always here to help, so don't miss out, and see y'all there. But I hope y'all will enjoy, and let's get into this Nike SB coming soon. So right here, the pair I'm discussing is the April Skateboard SB, which has now been set for November of this year, so it's no longer going to be set for the summer. It's expected to be right around kind of the end of this year, which I'm perfectly fine with that. I can wait for this pair. You guys can see the nice metallic swoosh in that. It's kind of like a mirror almost. You can really see yourself in it, kind of, which is, it's an interesting feature. But also the beautiful sole on this that I believe has a rose. It's kind of a in that blue. You can see we have kind of this like we have the icy soles, and that's kind of what it's going with, and also just kind of like the blue theme of the sneaker, lighter blue obviously. And kind of that top portion, I'm trying to think of the name of the color for it. I'm not sure. I don't think it's like a teal. It like kind of is. It's whatever, like it's pretty similar almost, it's kind of like a turquoise a little bit more, I guess, or like bright teal, whatever you'd want to say. I don't know why I'm looking up colors to say this, but yeah, y'all know. This is more or less for myself. But you guys can see what I'm talking about right there, kind of that nice little rose that we have. It's again going with the icy sole theme, and also kind of that Tiffany portion we have here in the center of the sneaker, so it's really matching that. Beautiful soles. That's just one thing I want to mention. I really like what Nike has been doing recently with the unique soles and SBs. I know that's been something they've done for a while, but it's just really standing out as of recent. And of course, you can see what I mean by the reflective swoosh, and also you can see the unique embroidery back here on the heel. Nike's been doing this recently as well, where they haven't been leaving their Nike SB logo on the back. They've just been letting the brands kind of put their influence, and you guys can see one of them says Nike, so I mean it's still is their influence kind of, but it's with the April logo theme. That April Skateboards logo is April, like this, I believe. So it's kind of you can see the font is going with their and there's also their logo, so y'all can see on one of the tongue tags it has that. And then I believe, I can't fully read what that says, but it's like you can see how they have their touch here, and then on the back of this one, I'm trying to see if I can get a good angle of it. You can see, there you go, the font is different, going with the font in the April Skateboards logo. And they also have that A logo. They have a couple ones, so that's just something I thought I'd mention. But overall, this is going to be a major cop. Closer to drop day, these are going to be going for some serious bread. Just looking at how a lot of these really good SBs have been doing, the ones that have been leaked earlier on, that we have more previews of, yeah, they end up reselling for more. And I feel like they're leaked intentionally almost, because, well, not intentionally, like Nike doesn't want to leak these sneakers, but you see a lot of the better pairs out a lot earlier, and you see them get more attention and see them get posted more. Like we see these get posted every couple weeks, and people go crazy over them, and that's how it's just going to be until drop day. So this is definitely one I'm going to be watching out for. I expect the retail to be 130, set for November of this year. I saw this on Twitter, I believe. I said, yeah, that's where I saw it. So this is one of the places I saw it, and then I saw a couple places on like Instagram, things like that, were posting about it. But it wasn't like like a massive conversation per se. We're still a ways away from this pair, although although it's going to be a very, very good hold down the line. That's the main reason I'm talking about this one right now. If you look at how some of these high-end SBs have been doing as of recent, because I'm gonna compare this one to like the Born and Raised SB and also the Jarritos SB, because those are both great collaboration SBs that also had apparel collections. I expect this pair to have an apparel collection with it, since it is a skateboard brand, so they'll probably drop some tees and hoodies and like shorts, things like that with it. Maybe even a skate deck, that wouldn't surprise me. So just some things that, you know, I would expect potentially on the way. They would also drop on sneakers, so that's just, you know, something we should keep in mind. But this is going to be a major cop, also going to be a really good hold, just because, again, you know, people go crazy for like a kind of Tiffany, you know, that light teal and the icy soles. Like they put this one together very, very well. They put a lot of effort into it, and it's definitely going to be one that goes for some serious spread. There's no doubt about that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these. Would you cop? I mean, also, I mean, you notice the kind of like reflective Nike SB logo we have here that's matching with the swoosh. Well done. But you guys can see what I mean. Look, the Jarritos SB, they also had an apparel collection with the SB. Same with the Born and Raised SB that's coming very, very soon. Going to be such a good hold. I mean, if you get a pair of these, just don't get rid of them. If it's your size, keep it, rock it in the collection. Years down the line, it'll be worth way more. So I'm even warned, like, if you hit retail, you're never going to lose money. So you might as well rock the pair. That's just my honest thoughts. If you hit your size. If you don't hit your size, then maybe trade it for some pairs, or just, again, hold on to them. Whatever you really would want to do. But this one's going to be an amazing hold. And same with this pair right here. I'm comparing this one kind of in the same category as the Jarritos SB, and also as a Born and Raised one, because they're all going to be ones that are a little bit lower stock. They leaked way earlier in advance. They're all going to have apparel collections with them. So that's kind of, you know, why I'm, you know, going with that. And they're also all collaborations. So, and they're not just like ordinary SBs that's like where it's like a unique colorway. They all have, you know, collaboration touches and actually are limited, and, you know, they're going to be set at certain skate shops, but some are going to get backdoored. Like this pair is different than a lot of the recent ones we've had in that, for that you know, main reason there. So you can see how these ones have been doing recently. Again, I don't think they're going to be doing numbers like this, but I definitely think we could see a great rise on the way. Something like this, 100%. I mean, these have gone absolutely crazy. So I see the same thing happening with these, and wouldn't shock me. So stay tuned. Amazing pair on the way, and let me know what you guys are thinking about these. So stay tuned. Probably one of the better holds that happened this year. Of course, this week I'm going to be dropping a lot of updates on the channel. We have like some shock drops and other things on the way. If you're in HYPELABS, you already know about it. So, you know, shout out my team there, and feel free to get in the waitlist and get access to everything that we offer. Y'all can see right here. We even have a free app for our members, so that, you know, they can check like the best sizes to sell across sneakers, like which ones sell fastest, which ones sell for the most, all types of things like that. You know, early info for sneakers, and you know, pings for that, as well as you aren't missing out on, you know, like cues and things that might drop at random, or undermarket sneakers and profitable clothing backdoors. And of course, we're available for all regions. Don't forget, Canada, Europe, Asia, USA mainly, but any of those regions where you're at, we can help you out. So don't miss out, and hope to see you guys there. But that's everything that needs to be mentioned. Feel free to check our socials. I mean, these, yeah, this is going to be, it's a money pair. That's all I can say. So feel free to let me know what you guys are thinking about these. Hope to see y'all on that wait list down below, and start cooking with the team daily. Again, we can show you how to get more pairs to hold, you know, pay less for your pairs, start, you know, kind of finding which ones to hold on to, give you better drop advice, and help you become a better reseller. And of course, you can check our reviews on the site so you know we're legit. But I'm ending this screen recording. I'm Tristan. Thank you guys, and hopefully I will catch you all in the next video very soon. Peace.